Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw eyes with simple shapes and techniques. Let's draw the eyes. First of all, let's take a straight line, okay, and divide this into two equal halves. Then we will draw the guideline for the eye. We will divide the straight line into three equal parts. Okay, three equal parts. It will define the distance between eyes. We are drawing the eye in a leaf shape. Okay, let's make this big, and I'll take a round brush with turning on the pressure opacity. Let's make the pupil, and remember one thing, the distance between two eyes, is equal to the distance of one eye. That's why this eye is looking symmetric. Let's make some eyebrows, and here we go. We made a successful eye. From front view, we will draw from 3/4 view. We will draw this one. For the side view of the face, we are gonna take a bent line and center line, and we will divide eyes into three equal parts. Okay, then we will make it a little bit bigger. Enter. Okay, we will draw eye like a leaf. Let's eyelashes a little bit thicker. And take a round brush with pressure opacity turning on. Make the eyeball. Let's take a curved line, slightly bent, not too much curved, and we will divide this into three equal parts. Okay, because measure the length of the eye is same as the second eye, and we will draw the eye according to the reference. We can make a little bit thicker eyelashes for the upper eye, and here we go. We will take a round brush with turning on the pressure opacity and gently dab on the surface. we made a beautiful eye from side view. Let's draw eyes from upper view. Okay, this is good. Great. And divide this line into 3 equal parts, and the eye is like this, facing upward. Let's take a round brush with the press, turning on the pressure opacity, and it is facing like this. Okay, great. Let's make eyelashes bigger. Yes, this is good. Let's make the eyebrows. Great. This is great. Let's indicate the nose. We did a great work. Nice. Okay, we will draw this object looking downwards. Okay, because this object is looking downwards, the curved line will appear like this, and we will divide this into 3 equal parts, and the eyebrow should appear like this. Okay, and the eyelashes will get the shape like this. Okay, let's make a thicker eyelashes. The eyebrows will start from here. Now let's move to the side angle view. Okay, as we move forward, the center line will be look like this from the side angle view, and the eye will shape like this. The eye will shape like a triangle from the side angle view. Okay, this is the pupil. The eye will shape like this, and measure the distance of the eye, and here the nose will start. Let's decrease the opacity of the underlying layer, and here you go. We draw some eyebrow. The eye will look like from side angle view as a triangle. Okay. And from the side angle view and 3/4 view, this will look like this. This is the eye line. Okay, and this is the eyebrow line. Okay, let's measure the length of the eye and put the dots according to the measurement, and draw the eye according to the reference. Let's turn on the brush opacity and decrease the brush size and draw. Let's make a little bit thicker. The eyelashes will be like this. Okay. This is the side angle view. This is called as a 3/4 view. Thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe if you like this video.